friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Kubuntu new XE generation 2 Linux laptops. So friends, Kubuntu Focus Team has announced the second generation of powerful Focus XE laptop, and this ultra portable and affordable laptop is a great choice for developers, creators and those who are looking for the best out of the box Linux experience but don't need of the power, complexity and expense of a dedicated GPU. And friend, this generation features the i7-1260p CPU, which provides a 16% and 60% boost in a single and multi-core Geekbench 5 scores, and real life this translates into very snappy performance and ability to handle large multi-process tasks with speed and ease. And other highlights of these laptops are numerous high-speed audio and data ports, include Thunderbolt 4 and capacity to attach multiple 4K displays. And it comes with their system with up to 64 GB of high-speed 3200 MHz dual-channel RAM and up to 2 TB of 7450 Mbps NVMe storage and optional no-cost disk encryption. And they are shipping now, and base models start at $895. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.